Having allocated almost $1 million for the poultry industry in the 2025 budget, the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, Forestry, Marine Resources and Cooperatives is now piecing together a comprehensive approach strategy that can be utilized to improve the lives and livelihoods of farmers and individuals who depend on the sector. The ministry, with the support of the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization and the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture, is working towards presenting a revised plan to government, identifying areas that should be prioritized.
Also, it is instructive to note that government would have signed on to the 25 by 25 CARICOM initiative. Of course, that have now been extended to 2030. As part of one of the area that we have flagged is the whole issue of the reduction in the import of poultry products. So that also is geared towards looking at that aspect in terms of how do we reduce our food import bill, in particular the import of poultry as one of the key protein that we take in our diets.
That was Permanent Secretary Isaac Bagwan. He explained that the mission include Yevgen Shedigan, livestock industry specialist consultant, and Roberto Telleria Juarez, policy officer. They will be meeting with several players in the industry this week, including large-scale farmers and input suppliers.
I was invited by the regional office of FAO in Barbados to come to Grenada upon the request of the Minister of Agriculture of Grenada to explore the current situation in the poultry sector and to come up with the recommendations for the sector, maybe development and reorganization, if you allow me to say this way. And we are working this week in Grenada together with Roberto, who is based in the regional office in Barbados.
During their mission, the team is also expected to engage government departments such as the Department of Statistics, Customs, the Port Authority, and other stakeholders. Roberto Telleria, Food and Agriculture Organization Policy Officer, says the strategy will help to enhance local production.
We brought an international expert from Europe who has been working on poultry production for many years, and with his support we will try to identify through the consultations with local stakeholders what are the main bottlenecks and the real possibilities to improve local production, of course with the guidance of the Ministry of Agriculture and the technical officers from the ministry, field visits and other engagements with farmer associations and poultry producers. So we expect to generate the next step after this useful meeting with the PS Bagwan. We expect to generate a line of action which will involve the consultations and will involve the production of a document that will state the findings and recommendations.
The mission is expected to conclude on Friday. Christina John, GBN News.